Why is cleaning your blood vessels so important, especially after the age of 50? Today, we'll cover this very crucial topic and then reveal the best fruits that naturally help clean your blood vessels to protect your brain, heart, and overall health. If you're serious about staying sharp, energized, and preventing disease as you age, this is a video you don't want to skip. Most people ignore their blood vessels until it's too late. Here's the truth. Your blood vessels are like highways that carry oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body. But over time, especially as you hit your 50s, those highways start to get clogged with cholesterol, plaque, and inflammation. What happens next? They starve your brain. Poor circulation means less oxygen to your brain, which leads to memory loss, brain fog, even dementia or stroke. They stress your heart. Your heart has to pump harder, raising blood pressure and increasing the risk of heart attacks. They cut off healing and energy. If nutrients and oxygen can't reach your muscles, skin, and organs, everything slows down. Your energy, your metabolism, and your recovery. They increase your risk of deadly clots. Plaque buildup makes it easier for blood clots to form, and those can travel to your brain, heart, or lungs. They damage your kidneys and liver. These vital organs rely on steady blood flow to filter waste. Clogged vessels choke them of what they need. That's why keeping your blood vessels clean isn't optional, it's essential. And nature gave us powerful fruits that can help do just that. So if you want to protect your brain and body for a long time, stick around. These fruits aren't just tasty, they could literally help save your life. Before we begin, tell me in the comments, how old are you? And what made you decide to start taking action on your health? We'd love to know if you're doing this for yourself or for someone you care about. Now let's get started. Number 1. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries may be small, but don't let their size fool you. These little fruits are packed with powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins. They fight inflammation, lower blood pressure, and boost blood flow, especially to your brain. One study even found that eating berries regularly could delay brain aging by over 2 years. Toss them in your oatmeal, blend them in smoothies, or just snack on them fresh or frozen. Your brain will thank you. Number 2. Red and purple grapes. Grapes, especially red and purple ones, contain antioxidants like polyphenols and resveratrol. These compounds reduce oxidative stress, which can damage blood vessel walls. Prevent inflammation, a major factor in plaque buildup. Keep arteries flexible, improving blood flow and lowering the risk of clots. It also improves endothelial function. The endothelium is the inner lining of your blood vessels. Resveratrol in grapes helps this lining stay strong and flexible so blood can flow smoothly. Plus, they help prevent dangerous blood clots and improve memory function. Snack on a small handful daily or drink pure, unsweetened grape juice in moderation. If this helped you, give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and hit subscribe so you never miss a tip that could literally change your health. Number 3. Avocado. Avocados are one of the best fruits for keeping your blood vessels clean and healthy. They're packed with heart-friendly monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol, one of the main causes of plaque buildup in arteries. They also help increase good cholesterol, which works like a cleanup crew in your bloodstream, removing excess cholesterol and taking it to the liver for disposal. Avocados are also rich in potassium, which helps relax and protect your blood vessels by reducing high blood pressure. On top of that, they contain powerful antioxidants like vitamin E and lutein that fight inflammation and prevent damage to your artery walls. All of this supports better blood flow to your brain, heart, and other organs. Just half an avocado a day can make a real difference in your circulation and overall vascular health. Number 4. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are not just good for your immune system. They are loaded with flavonoids that help strengthen your arteries, prevent plaque buildup, and improve circulation. They've even been linked to a lower risk of stroke, especially important after age 45, when blood vessel health starts to decline. A glass of warm lemon water in the morning or some orange slices during the day is a simple step, but with a powerful impact. Number 5. Kiwi. Kiwi might be small, but it's a powerhouse for your blood vessels. It's loaded with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps prevent damage to artery walls and reduces inflammation, two major contributors to clogged arteries. Kiwi also contains potassium, which helps lower blood pressure by relaxing the blood vessel walls. Even more impressive, kiwi has been shown to reduce platelet stickiness, which means it helps prevent blood clots that can block circulation to the brain, heart, or lungs. Plus, it improves overall vascular function, making it easier for blood to flow smoothly through your system. Just eating 1 to 2 kiwis a day can significantly boost your circulation and protect against age-related vessel damage. Start adding these fruits to your daily routine, and you'll be giving your brain, heart, kidneys, and entire body the oxygen-rich blood they need.